welcome back to my channel. I'm back passionate. Welcome back for another video. And today let's talk about the new year 2024. What are you going to see on my channel? I think it's time now. We are in February and I do think it's nice to have a little discussion concerning this. So take a coffee or a snack, make yourself really comfy on a sofa and let's talk. Yes, I wanted to make this video just to make it clear concerning my channel, because if you have seen my channel, by the way, if you're a returning viewer, please subscribe to my channel. It's free for you, but for me it matters the world, so please consider subscribing. As I said, on my channel you see several things. You see unboxing, you see review, you see informative video, and for 2024 I will go on like this. I think I will go on making analysis, reflection, discussion video because I simply love that. I am a bag collector, and being a bag collector does not mean for me to only buy bags. No, this is nonsense. And I don't qualify myself bag collector because I have a big bag collection, because for me you can be a bag collector even if you have two or three bags. It's not the number of bags that makes you the bag collector. For me, bag collector are people who got interest in the story of a brand, in the story of the making of something, who have some technical information. This is for me bag collector. And I think that what I love the most is talking about bags. So on my channel, once again, because I started since the creation of this channel, I will go on making analysis and review, because I want my channel to be a space where we can talk about everything about bags. I love to exchange arguments with others. I love to have different point of view, because I do not hold the truth, guys. It's simply my point of view from my knowledge, from the information I collect since many years. I've been buying bags, but this is really what I like, the exchange. And that's also the reason why my channel is bilingual, because I can reach people talking in English and people talking in my mother language in French, because it's great. Depending on the country, we do not have the same thinking, so that's simply great, and that's why my channel is bilingual also. So I confirm you guys, for this year I will go on like this. I know, because I already seen a bunch of YouTubers are also talking about what they call low buy year. To be honest, I don't like this term. I don't like this term because for me it's kind of negative. It's kind of negative in the sense that I'm searching my words, because of course in French I will express something easily, but in English I really need to think. For me it's negative in the terms, it's like you've got your way of thinking and you put a wall. For me it's like this, low buy idea. So the year just starts and you say, oh no, this year I will not buy. It's kind of sad, because in fact, two things. First of all, no one forces you to buy. So you don't need to think, I will low buy. This is the first thing for me. The second thing, maybe this year nothing will make you happy. So in every case, you will buy nothing. So I don't like the way that it's just the start and you're making wall to your ideas. I prefer, concerning myself, telling me that I will try to make smart buy. What's a smart buy for me? Because I repeat, I do not hold the truth, guys. I'm just sharing you my point of view, that's all. It's just the fact that you see the collection, and if you got, it's just logical for me. If you see new things but that are quite similar to your collection, simply don't buy it. It's similar. Keep and enjoy your stuff. If you see something really nice and you don't have it and the price is correct and you see nothing completely crazy concerning the technical aspect, yes, make the reflection. Do I buy it now, or do I have a chance to buy it later on sale if it goes on sale? You know, I prefer to have those kind of thinking in my head rather than telling myself since the beginning of the year, it will be a low buy year. Yes, for me, this term, I do respect other YouTubers that are making this. I also understand their way of thinking, but for me, it's too negative. So, I'm not telling you it will be a low buy year. I'm just telling you that I will keep on making as I make since I buy bags, since I am able to buy bags. I will keep on sharing my buys. I will keep on making unboxing, but the unboxing you will see will be the result of what I'm saying, smart reflection. If I really like it, yes, I don't have it in my collection, but if there is too many things that are quite similar to what I already have, I simply don't think there will be unboxing. So, you know, I prefer to be honest about this. If I will make tests with a new brand, of course I will tell you, but if I don't want to make tests with a new brand, but I will explain you why. And I will go on like this. I prefer to be honest. So there will be unboxing on my channel. But yes, I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know when, I don't know why. So yes, I prefer to not telling you, because I know that some of them, they told you low buy year, and they will do unboxing because yes, they will still buy things. So, but I respect, just to make it clear. So when I see something interesting and I bought for myself, I will show you. When I dislike something, I will also tell you why. When I like something, I will also tell you why. Concerning Longchamp, it is still my #1 brand. And even if I will make a video about this, even if I do think that Longchamp is slightly making a change, it is still my favorite brand. So of course you will see a bunch of reviews concerning Longchamp. But because I give a little information in a previous video, but since last year I have really making research and something concerning other brands because I like that. I love bags. Longchamp is my favorite brand, but I simply love bags. So I will keep you informed about my researches and what I have discovered. And yes, in fact, let's resume this video like this. On my channel, it will be a bag discussion place. Yes, I think this could be the right term, bag discussion place. Of course, Longchamp will always have favorite places because it's my hot brand. Let's call it like that. But I think we will together discover new things, talk about new things, et voilà. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for hearing me. But yes, 2024, I go on like this. I go on my review bags. I go on talking you about what I like, what I dislike, but always with arguments. And I am waiting for you too to give me your point of view, because I insist, I really want this channel to be a place where we are all exchanging our point of view, what we like, what we dislike, what we dream, because it's also important to dream. So thanks for watching, have a great day, take care, and we see us in the next video. Bye bye!